Electric snowblowers have become a practical, low-maintenance alternative to gas models for homeowners with modest to mid-size snow removal needs. They're quieter, produce no fumes, and connect directly to a standard outlet for hassle-free operation. This review compares 5 corded or battery-powered electric snowblowers across a strict price point of $179.99, focusing on real-world performance.
List number 1. Westinghouse WS Snow 23 Corded Snowblower 23-inch. The WS Snow 23 is a corded 120-volt model with a substantial 23-inch clearing width and a 12-inch depth target, rated to move 800 pounds of snow per minute. It features dual LED headlights for nighttime operation, an 1800-watt motor, a 25-foot throwing distance, and a 6-inch wheel setup. The unit is relatively compact at 46.4 inches long and 30 pounds, which makes it reasonably portable for a corded machine in the price band. It also carries Westinghouse's 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, backed by a nationwide service network, which can be meaningful when you need service close by. Performance-wise, the WS Snow 23 offers confident clearing for light to moderate snowfalls on drives and walkways. The 23-inch width helps minimize passes on longer driveways, and the 25-foot throw distance is adequate for typical residential patterns. The 6-inch wheels contribute to easier tracking over uneven patches, while the adjustable chute, 180 degrees, provides straightforward aiming. The dual LEDs are a practical benefit for early morning or evening clearances. However, as a corded model, users must manage the cord to avoid interference, and real-world power delivery can vary with outlet quality or extension cords. The 1800-watt rating translates to robust performance for its class, though snow density or very wet conditions may require more passes or a slower feed rate.
List number 2. Lythely 2x20V Cordless Snow Blower. The Lythely 2x20V cordless model delivers a 20-inch wide clearing pass with a 12-inch depth using a 40V brushless motor. It includes 2.4 AH batteries and a fast charger, enabling cordless operation with the specified throw distance of up to 25 feet. Wheel-assisted walk-behind design and dual LED headlights support clear daytime or nighttime use, and the 180-degree adjustable chute offers directional flexibility. At roughly 34.7 pounds, it sits in a mid-weight category for battery-powered machines and is designed for ease of storage and quick startup without cords. In practice, the Lythely offers convenient, low-maintenance operation with immediate start via push-button and a fume-free experience. The brushless motor promotes efficiency and longer motor life, which translates to better runtime and quieter operation. Batteries enable portable use away from outlets, making it suitable for mid-sized driveways and patios where cord management would be strenuous. The limitation is runtime. Even with a 4.0 AH pack per battery, longer storms or larger areas may require multiple battery swaps or charging breaks, and replacement battery availability can affect total cost of ownership. It's best for homeowners with shorter clearing sessions and smaller areas who prioritize convenience and noise reduction.
List number 3. Maxlander Snowblower Cordless. Maxlander's cordless snowblower offers a 20-inch width and 10-inch depth with a 40V brushless motor, including 2 4.0 AH batteries plus a fast dual charger. The device emphasizes a brushless design for longer life and quieter operation, along with dual LED headlights and a 180-degree rotating chute to direct snow up to 25 feet. Weighing about 31.5 pounds, this model is compact and easily portable for homeowners with multiple small to mid-size clearing tasks. Performance-wise, Maxlander's brushless motor and 40V platform delivers solid performance for typical residential snowfalls, especially on driveways and entryways with limited storage space. The 20-inch width provides a good balance between pass count and power, while the rotating chute and headlights improve usability in low-light conditions. However, the 6-inch ideal snow depth suggests it's best suited for light to moderate snow, not heavy, wet accumulations. Some users may experience slower clearing times in heavy slush or icy layers, and availability of spare parts or batteries could affect long-term cost of ownership.
List number 4.
21,000 RPM cordless snow shovel. The Aliexpress cordless snow shovel is a compact, ultra-lightweight option designed for small area clearance. It operates on 24 volts with a claimed 21,000 RPM and a 13-inch width with a 6.5-inch depth per pass. It emphasizes ease of use, quick setup, and a 2-battery system with a dual safety push-button start. Weighing just over 12 pounds, it's designed for steps, porches, decks, and other tight spaces rather than full driveway clearing. In practice, this tool excels for rapid, light-duty snow removal where maneuverability and low physical strain are paramount. The dual batteries and fast setup make it appealing for seniors or users with stairs and small entryways. The trade-offs are clear. Limited clearing width and depth mean more passes for larger areas, and battery life will be brief in heavier snowfall. The 30% lighter weight compared to typical 12-plus pound units reduces fatigue but reduces headroom for deeper snow and tougher surfaces.
List number 5. Westinghouse WSO-NOW 18 48V cordless snowblower 18-inch kit. The WSO-NOW 18 is a cordless 48V model with an 18-inch width and 10-inch depth, powered by a brushless 1200W motor. It includes two 24V 4AH batteries and a dual-port fast charger, delivering up to 25 feet of throw. The unit also features an LED light and compatibility with Snow Joe batteries, expanding its ecosystem. It weighs about 37.1 pounds and emphasizes power and portability without a cord. In real-world use, the WSO-NOW 18 provides a robust option within its class, suitable for mid-sized driveways and perimeters with moderate snowfall. The 18-inch width is efficient for eliminating snow with fewer passes, while the brushless motor and dual LED light enhances usability in varied light conditions. Battery runtime is modest, 15 minutes for 7 inches of snow as specified, so it's best for shorter sessions or smaller areas. The compatibility with Snow Joe batteries adds versatility for households already invested in that ecosystem.